In today's video, you will learn how to adjust paragraph spacing in Microsoft Word. Proper paragraph and line spacing plays a big role in how readable and professional your document looks, whether you are working on reports, essays, or everyday documents. To begin, navigate to the Design tab. In the Document Formatting group, select Paragraph Spacing. This menu gives you several preset spacing styles you can apply instantly. You can choose one of the listed options or create a custom layout by selecting the Custom Paragraph Spacing option. This opens the paragraph dialog box, where you have more precise control over how your text is spaced. In the paragraph dialog box, look for the line spacing setting. From the drop-down menu, you can choose from 6 spacing options. Single applies standard spacing based on the current font size. 1.5 lines increases the spacing to 1.5 times the font size. Double creates double spacing, which is commonly used for academic documents. The at least option sets a minimum amount of space between lines, which is useful when using larger fonts or embedded objects. Exactly allows you to define a fixed amount of space between lines using a specific point value. Multiple lets you multiply the default spacing by a number you enter in the app box. For example, entering 3 creates spacing 3 times larger than single spacing. Once you choose the option that fits your needs, click OK to apply it. If you want to quickly single space your document, choose No Paragraph Space from the Paragraph Spacing menu. To restore the original layout, select Default under Style Set. This resets spacing back to Word's standard formatting. To change spacing in only part of your document, first select one or more paragraphs you want to adjust. If you want to apply changes to the entire document, press the Control key and the letter A together to select all text. Next, navigate to the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, select the Line and Paragraph Spacing option. Choose one of the available spacing presets or click Line Spacing options at the bottom of the menu. In the Paragraph dialog box, under Spacing, adjust the before and after values using the up and down arrows. These settings control the space above and below each paragraph. Keep in mind that these measurements are in points, and 1 point equals 1/72nd of an inch. When finished, select OK to apply the changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit us with a like. Thanks for watching.